For today's tutorial, let me teach you on how to disable UI navigation in Roblox. Once you're in the game, simply go to the Roblox logo or icon on the top to open the menu. In the menu window, go to Help section. Under the Help section, look for the Miscellaneous tab and find the UI selection toggle. From there, you'll see the hotkey for that feature. As for me, this is the hotkey for UI navigation, where it can be used to disable the UI navigation, but for you, it may be different. So simply check it with this method. Next, close the menu and then simply hit the UI navigation toggle hotkey to disable it. Now your avatar can now move again in Roblox. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.